Hey there, so today's video is going to be short and interesting. You know how there has been rumors regarding the possibility of a foldable iPhone. Well, there's a man in China who managed to convert his iPhone into a foldable smartphone. Yes, the technology is available and it was only a matter of time before someone came up with that. Apple is nearly always late in embracing new technology, despite claims from fans that this is due to the company's intention to perfect these features before releasing to the general public, and foldable smartphones should be no exception. Anyways, I came to know about this foldable iPhone after I came across an article by Gizmo China. I will link it below if you wanna check it out. The fan-made foldable iPhone device is known as the iPhone V. It's not iPhone 5. There is also a video available which I was able to find out after doing some digging. He made the shell by using a 3D printer and divided the parts in both the halves. This might sound easy, but I tell you it's not. It took him a whole year to make the final product, and it works. I don't know anything about software changes if there are any, however I don't think there is. And it doesn't look polished, but it is a beginning of something beautiful. Since I don't speak Chinese, I don't understand what he's saying, but if you are interested to know what's what, you can check out the whole video from the link in the description below. That's it, thank you for watching. Peace out.